This Century 21 At Your Service Realty property video is presented by Eileen Bellinger. This fabulous eco-smart 3-bedroom/3-bath home is located in the premier active adult gated community of Traditions at Lake Ruby. The desirable split-bedroom floor plan offers a junior bedroom suite with ensuite bath. The well-equipped kitchen features a center island, GE smudge-proof slate appliance package, recessed lighting, glass subway tile backsplash and 42 inches upper cabinets adorned with crown molding. To maximize your storage requirements, there is a walk-in pantry and the kitchen cabinets feature pull-out drawers ensuring items are readily accessible. The spacious great room features lovely tile flooring and oversized glass sliding doors that allow access into the lanai. The generously sized master bedroom suite is enhanced with crown molding and dual walk-in closets. The master bath offers a handicapped accessible tiled shower with decorative Listello tile, comfort height vanity with double sinks and a linen closet complete the master bath. Other amenities include a formal dining area, breakfast nook, office, laundry room with washer and dryer, quartz countertops throughout, tile flooring throughout main living areas, Moen faucets, exterior stone facade, gutters, in-wall pest control system, Sentricon termite system, Smith hybrid water heater, glowy windows, architectural shingles, and radiant heat barrier, GreenGuard Max House Wrap, keyless entry lock, programmable thermostat, paved patio and driveway and a 2-car garage with door opener. The picturesque community of Traditions offers planned community activities and other amenities such as a lakefront clubhouse, dock, and boat ramp, heated swimming pool, and spa, ballroom, billiards, meeting room, library, computer room, craft room, dog park, tennis courts, basketball court, bocce, shuffleboard, fitness center, aerobics studio, and much more. Great convenient location close to shopping, medical facilities, and major routes. For more information, review the details below.